Yeah. Oh, Mimi is going to play another game.
Welcome back to another episode of 𝐁𝐫𝐞𝐚. And like last week, we will start with 2 songs by me and her. Alright, she goes first. Let's do it.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, ready.
Yay, very good. Okay, TJ, your turn.
Sorry, that was not the song I'm supposed to play. Ow! Sorry.
Just play that.
Yeah. Alright. Wait, I didn't get the copy in the piano.
Yay, thank you. So everybody, welcome to another episode of the Tea Break Talk with the Toes. Okay, today, what are we gonna talk about?
Oh, we're packing.
We're packing for what?
Cruise.
Cruise?
This is so heavy.
We are going cruise tomorrow, yes!
And yes, we're gonna do a special on this Facebook and make sure you have
Or maybe we can go on North Star when we're doing it.
make sure you keep up to the dates with his posts so
Yeah.
that you can
Yeah.
catch the live.
Yes.
We are going to do
Follow us
that.
on Facebook.
Follow.
So-
And follow me on Instagram. Yeah.
So
Follow
before
me on Instagram too.
So before we start, what are we gonna do first? Our
Mission.
also who's gonna do mission today? Yay! You did last week, remember?
So our mission is to educate people from all over the world with the right information and help with the latest updates.
Yes, very good. That's our mission. And knowledge. A knowledge of and
Health.
wisdom
And health.
of health to everybody. Because health is the foundation of all happiness. Okay. So what are we packing?
Alright, so wait, we got one box wrong. Let me just swap it around.
What's that?
Look, sis. Look, sis.
Oh, yeah, less strawberry.
Look, sis. Slim baby.
Okay, Gigi, why not you share?
So because
What's your packing list?
my packing list, because like I shared, I don't know whether I shared it or not. Cypro is really bad and I protest to let them put vanilla inside. I am packing PhytoFit.
Me too, okay?
Yeah, she take PhytoFit as a breakfast.
Yeah, anyway,
Mm.
if you want to get as much protein as PhytoFit from Cypro, do 2 packets. It is really milky, really just tastes like soy milk.
Packet is only 8 grams. And this one's like 24,000 grams.
No, the 1 packet is 18 grams. So 2 packets will give you 36. Yeah, almost the same as this. It's the same. Yep, 32, 36. Yep.
What?
Right. Anyway,
So,
PhytoFit is like really nice because it has bananas. It has like it just resembles the good old soy milk.
Yeah, so your breakfast will be PhytoFit. How many? Every day 2, right?
2, yes.
So how many do you need?
Because we don't. So
4, right?
yeah, 4.
You're going there for 3 nights, but actually it's 2 days.
Yeah.
On the 24th, we come back early morning. So we'll have.
6 a lot.
Yeah. Why not you take 2 more just in case we will have breakfast there?
All right.
Okay.
And at at night, after all that food and stuff, I like to have NutriFresh.
Okay.
Because I don't know, but I think my mom said it gives fiber and stuff, and also raisin tree.
Yeah.
You know, you've got to have it.
That's a cat.
Yeah, 3. So we got 3. This one we only have 2 left, so let's just put this in here. Right.
Why not you share what's with NutriFresh?
Oh, NutriFresh. NutriFresh is also like one that will give you a source. That's also a source of protein. It's like PhytoFit and Soy Pro and Soy Green.
And it has more than just soy. It has other fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, it has a lot of fruits and vegetables.
And it also has different flavors.
The one JJ's taking is strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry is nice.
Yeah.
And I don't like fruit, but I don't know whether you guys will. You try it out.
You want to read out the ingredients?
Alright, so the ingredients are soybean, asparagus, barley, broccoli, cabbage, cantaloupe, carrot, orange peel, honeydew, pea, pear, grapefruit, lemon, and as other stuff we have fructose,
And the
strawberry, rice powder, vanilla, natural strawberry flavor, natural orange flavor, natural orange flavor.
Okay. And then you have raisin tree also. I remember you said raisin tree. What's
Yes, it's for your liver.
Yes.
This is the festive seasons, man. To be jolly. If you're gonna fall sick, how you gonna be jolly?
Yeah. Hey, you say very good. If you're forcing how to be jolly.
How to be happy, how to... Oh, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, now Mei Mei, it's your turn. What are you gonna pack?
So for my breakfast, I'm gonna have Soy Pro
Soy Pro and
PhytoFit.
okay. So you need how many? 3 also.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure all of you know what Soy Pro is because I've been drinking Soy Pro every morning.
He's been posting pictures of himself smiling.
My favorite breakfast. My must-have breakfast.
How about
Soy
Soy
Pro.
Green?
No, must not soy pro. It's disgusting.
No, she doesn't like the ginseng smell, but I love it.
That's only literally tree.
And there's a lot of the bubbles
I
and
forgot you. How about this? You all have this every day, right?
Wait, guys. Soy pro is no one.
I'm gonna say it later.
Goodish
Gaga.
Why is goodish bad? It's because right, it helps. Soybean, okay, pretty okay. Jilin ginseng, the worst ingredient of all, and silicon dioxide. I don't even know what that does.
I think silicon
It's
the smoke.
No, it's an anti-kicking agent to prevent it from lumping together. So,
Agent silicon dioxide.
yeah. Okay, ginseng is very good. Okay, like I post recently, ginseng has anti-cancer properties and also help to relieve fatigue. So it gives you energy. But the thing is, when you choose ginseng, you must remember you must choose food grade ginseng, because only food grade ginseng can eat it every day. Unlike Korean ginseng, which is very heaty, so you can't really eat it every day. If you eat it every day, you'll be bleeding. Your nose bleed. It's too heaty. Okay, so when you eat ginseng, choose good food grade ginseng that you eat every day. Okay, mate, what else?
Have a frown on your face every day.
I love it. I love it, especially when you drink it with raisin tree. You mix it with raisin tree. It's
Yeah,
superb.
the last one was really chill. This one raisin tree doesn't even give me.
Yeah.
No, my friends love it.
Well, your friends love it.
Okay, wait.
You're exposing their names out.
Okay, what else?
Okay, so we also have I usually drink raisin tree and rosy thyme.
Rosy thyme, you forgot me. Did you also have?
Yeah, I'm sharing with her because she's like.
Okay, we bring two
We'll bring 2.
packets there. Okay, you.
Because our mom is also drinking. Rachel. 2.
Right.
Red.
Yeah. Rosy thyme.
Rosy
Why rosy thyme? Has lots of
Red.
antioxidants.
Antioxidant.
Are we packing these?
Yes, to caress also.
Yes, the carrots. Yes,
Antioxidants. Okay. Okay, what else, mate?
Rosy thyme is acerola.
Oh, Rhapsody also.
Rhapsody is for you.
Yeah, they give me more energy.
Oh, really? You can energy. Oh, it makes you
Same.
like.
Okay, what else, mate? Any
Where's our soy green?
soy greens over here? That's for mommy, is it?
Yeah.
Mommy's breakfast, soy green.
Soy green.
Mommy's favorite breakfast, soy green. I prefer soy pro.
Soy green. Coffee soy green.
And then soy pro for me. JJ?
And then you guys
Give me one more packet. Okay. Okay.
Fiber talk.
Fiber talk must have.
Must have for him.
Because before we go for meals, you know, when we go holiday, we tend to overeat. And you get fat easily. So must have more fiber. Yeah, we need 6. You want? We need fiber talk. So before you go for a heavy meal, eat fiber talk. Gives you fiber.
Don't
Soluble.
eat fiber talk before. You know why?
Meals are that heavy then.
You know why?
Nice.
You know why? Because if you eat fiber talk, you very full, then you don't eat already.
I will still eat.
Cause you're.
But you eat less.
Then you can't have a big meal, right?
That's the idea. You still enjoy the food, but
No,
you don't overeat.
no, it's good. So half of your meal is consumed by fiber talk, and then your other half of the meal is the best meal of all because it helps you 减肥.
Not 减肥 lah. It helps you control your weight, so you don't take too much food. And
Talking about.
and another thing.
Mommy loves this.
Yeah, me too. Oxygen berry.
She just drank some.
No, I took this much.
Oxygen berry.
7 now.
Oxygen berry is the same as raisin tree. Not raisin tree. Rosy thyme. They both contains high in antioxidants. Can ah? Okay. So we love both. We love both. Really, oxygen berry or rosy thyme.
We hate both. Oh yeah, and talking about.
More.
Oh, talking about 减肥, the
You what?
soy green
Hey, careful.
actually helps you 减肥.
Wow, too many things. Okay. Another thing I must have is my cha moment. I drink cha moment every day. Okay. I need cha moment. Today I need cha moment also. I drink cha moment every day. Oh, my favorite drink.
Sis, I also need oxygen berry.
And tell you what,
Then you also need cha moment.
I think a lot of people are
We
afraid.
need one more, we are one short.
No, they said that
Yeah,
no, going to the cruise,
No more.
you may expose to a lot of bacteria, viruses. That's why you must bring immunity.
Very immunity.
Yes, to keep our immune system always ready to fight. That's why immunity is very important.
Our
But-
immune system is always ready to fight.
But you must give them the right food, okay? The right fuel.
Why do they need food? They're
course.
just a cell.
Cell also need food. They need energy. It's the food that you give them
How
to
do
make
you
them.
fit more inside?
There's some more space here, Jay. There's some more space here.
No, that's for us.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why you need immunity, because immunity contains variety of mushrooms. Mushrooms contains polysaccharides that can help to. Mushroom we don't eat. We only eat cultivated mushrooms that are safe to eat. Yes, food grade also. That's true. Well done. Can you pack some immunity for us too?
I'll pack it.
Yes.
How many things?
You take all lah.
Let's do that.
Take all.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. These are our must pack items wherever we go for holidays. No? No, the worst thing that can happen when you go holiday is when you.
Die.
Forget your product.
No. If it's.
No, I know.
You fall sick and then you die.
No, you won't. You don't.
You won't die if you don't
When you fall sick and then you don't get to enjoy, and then the most worst thing is that you will have to throw away all your products when you pack.
No, what I mean by dying is like if you don't
You feel
treat
like
and then you never bring, right, and then you'll die.
No, you feel like dying. Then you don't get to enjoy your holidays. You'll be staying in the room, feeling awful.
If you feel like dying.
That's why it's important before you go holiday. You also need to.
Actually, that happened to Miss Lim Lim Po before.
That's why it's very important. Not just when you are on your holidays. Before holidays, you also need to nourish your immune system. Okay, so that when you go holidays, you are still healthy. Okay, well, that's all for our packing list. I
Wait, there's one more.
What? What? No, I think.
You have to bring your dog.
Dog. We don't have a dog.
Do you want to bring Berry Beat?
No lah. Very big, no need.
What if when we are checking in the person?
How about Fido time for mommy?
We bring the poison.
Fido time have already?
What What if they think we bring poison in?
Fido time, you want Fido
What
time?
if they think we bring
Mommy
poison?
one.
You take
What if they think we bring poison in?
Then you drink it and show them.
Then you contaminate the cat
Never mind,
thing.
you finish, doesn't matter.
This is Fido time.
Then overfull.
Yeah, Fido time is
It's
no.
also like raisin tree.
Yeah, it's already raisin
It's
tree.
for mommy.
It's a very good product if you are going to take a lot of spicy food.
Yeah. And it is kind of like milk.
No, I like to take spicy food.
It doesn't taste like milk, but it's like milk. It
Yeah.
like kind of like
Yeah. So you know, when I take spicy food, no, the next day I'll go toilet, diarrhea. But if I take Fido time after I take spicy food, I'm okay because Fido time is an excellent food that can help to nourish our liver. No, because the spicy food will actually burden your liver and that makes you want to go toilet.
I don't get diarrhea when I eat spicy food.
Good. I'm still young. Okay, that's all for today.
If I'm old and I still don't get diarrhea.
It's okay. That means your liver is good. I find.
But then that means your liver not good ah.
My liver.
How do you know whether your liver is good or not good? What if your neighbor become a neigh horse?
How do you know that your liver is not good?
I know
Go for MRI.
Sometimes you can't show everything.
you eat this.
Okay, you guys are.
Then you take it
Okay,
out
no.
and then you can see
No,
what
this is not fun. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.
Bye.